blue corner, fighting out of Valiant MMA and Jay Saba.
We have Jeho Saba.
Tiger. Samurai. Oh!
He has very good jiu-jitsu.
Yes.
Mr. Ori training with the likes of Marvin Pirata and Mark Striegel. So, can definitely Ori in the ring. Nice happening there by Ori. Very good grappling by Ori. All Daxi. He really doesn't want to get his record straight. Ori looking for the back. Lock, and I think he can get a guard. But he chooses to strike. Very nice.
Beautiful leg kick again by Ori.
Oh my goodness. Ori is showcasing that variety. My goodness.
So proud of his strike from Saba.
I really love the confidence of Ori. He looks like prime Mike Quizon. Also from Cebu, man. Very and very relaxed. The strikes. And I love this.
Oh, nice.
Very nice that kick. And an over and over.
Trading head kick. Oh, Saba.
Taiga looking relaxed and focused. Good straight by Ori. But I'm loving Saba, man. He just goes. Every time Ori throws, he's like gonna stand up. Good jab by Ori. Push kick by Ori.
Oh,
And Saba rallies
Saba.
back.
Saba.
Good opening leg kick by Saba. That's why heavy shot right down there. Saba, Ori, his movement is on point. Good exchange of jab. Good counter by Saba. But he really looks to go high then go low and then vice versa. Magam. Oh, nice cross. Here we go.
Time, he has
Plenty of time to work. Good defense to get that back. But he chose to land it down right now. And here we go, looking for something. Grabbing the neck of Saba.
Oh, beautiful!
Yes, another
by Taiga Ori.
the Black Samurai.
Tiger! Naked! Show! Tiger!